Okay, we can check this circle cutting. Here, it doesn't cut very good, you know. Here has a sharp connection, and it isn't very smooth and cannot take off. That means the cutter angle has some problem. Also, we can check here. Okay, for the cross, for the test cast cross. This cross is for the cutter with a good, perfect cutting angle. Okay, we can check this one. Check this one. And oh, this one. This one, we're showing the cutting angle has problem. Okay, we can. It means this knife's cutting angle. Okay. Normally, for the correct cutting, this knife cutting angle should be just right angle with this beam. Okay, but when this angle has some problem, it will happening the cutting problem. Okay, now we will show you how to make a calibration for the cutting angle. Okay. When happen this problem, we will do a test cutting for cross and check the cutting lane and see which way the cutter rotate. Right. For this one, we can see here. Look my hand. For the cross, we can see the cutting angle like this. Right. So we need to let the cutting the angle rotated like this way. Okay, to make it straight to the cross lane. So when rotated this way, that means the cutting angle rotated in clockwise. Okay, so we can check here. Yeah, firstly we will light the W, go back to the 0 place, and then we go to the test page for the test angle. Yeah. Okay. Not the test page. It should be adjust page. Okay. Okay. We can check here and select the right cutter for our machine. Okay. Since this machine just with one cutter is a drag knife, so we just select this one. Yeah. And for here we will make the angle. This is rotated clockwise. Okay, this is anti-clockwise because we just check the test cutting cross should be rotated this way. Okay. Okay. Now, firstly, we can make a test angle to cut a cross and check the result. Okay. Okay. Here we can move the head to find the correct place. Okay. Yeah. Now we go back here. So we can check the test cut cross had a big problem, right? So we need to make a calibration. So we can see that the cutting lane has a big problem. We can put our hand here. So we need to line this end to go to the center. So just like this, rotate it this way. So should be rotated like clockwise. Okay. Now we will make a calibration. Okay. For this one, it need to test step by step. We can just input like 110. Firstly, maybe smaller 5. Okay, we can start from smaller one. Here, we change into smaller one. For example, from the one angle. Okay, we can test one angle. Okay. Okay, firstly we select the smaller step. Okay, we can press this button rotated clockwise. Okay, so we can check here. Okay, yeah. After do this, we need to press the OK button. Yeah. Okay, now we can do another test. So for this calibration, we need do many times test and find the correct angle. So from this test carton, we can see it has still a big problem. So we for next test we can increase a bigger angle, like 5 angles. Okay, we can make try. Yeah, we can change here 5 angle, 5.
没有，就一，
No fail?
用一摁我。
Okay, we can increase 5 angles. Okay, we can check here. Yeah. Okay, press OK button. Okay, now we do a new test.
现在走，你看，录一下这里。
Okay, we can move the cutter head to find the proper place. So from this test result, we can see it is improved better than this one. Okay, so still not good. Compare with this one, still not good. We need to make more improvement. Okay. Okay. Okay, press OK button and find a new carton place. Okay, from this cutting result, it seems okay now. The 4 lengths meet each other with the right angle. Okay, now we will make a new test cutting for the shape and see the result. Okay, we can see right now the cutting result is very good. So this is the bad one before the calibration, and for this is after calibration. We can see the cutting edge is very smooth, and we can take off this very easily, right? Okay.
看接口也能看。